Experiencing knee pain from working out, soreness, stiffness, and swelling in the knees can really put a damper in your workout. That's where the Nobol PhysioFlex knee massager can really help you out. The PhysioFlex is a cordless, wearable, 3-in-1 joint therapy device designed to relieve knee pain. It combines vibration massage, deep heat, as well as red light and infrared light therapy to reduce stiffness, swelling, and inflammation while promoting blood flow and recovery. Adjustable straps and an intuitive LED touchscreen make it comfortable and easy to use, whether at home, in the gym, or on the go. The vibration therapy offers low, high, and auto modes. Auto mode varies the intensity and pattern, giving a dynamic shifting massage. The heat therapy can be adjusted from low to medium to high, and it penetrates deep into your joints to relieve stiffness, stimulate circulation, and help restore natural mobility. The integrated red and infrared lights support joint recovery, calm inflammation, and promote healthy blood flow, helping your body heal naturally over time. The LED touchscreen is simple and easy to use, and it lets you customize your massage and heat settings quickly for your unique recovery needs. Now here's what it looks like when you open the box. So here we have the Nobol PhysioFlex joint massager, and this is the box that it comes in. And here we learn what's included in the box: the PhysioFlex, a charging cable, and a user manual. Here's a little outline of the machine. Open. Here's what it looks like inside. So we have the device, instruction manual, a quick start guide, and a USB-C charging cable. All right, so here is a look at the knee massager. It's curved. It's got Nobol right there. And we have our screen. Okay. Here's the cushion inside. Infrared lights, knee pad cushions. It's very soft. So it's a USB-A with a USB-C. So that's just going to connect here at the bottom. You need to charge it up. The power button. All right. Have the red light therapy there. Cool, cool, cool. It's got straps here that we're just gonna feed through. Okay, so you can choose from 3 vibration settings: low, high, or automatic, where it alternates. Low heat, medium heat, high heat. So after using that, my knee feels warm, relaxed, and loose, more than this knee currently, because I haven't used it here yet. So I feel like there's a lot more circulation going on here, which is good. Overall, the Nobol PhysioFlex knee massager is a versatile recovery tool that combines heat, vibration, and red light therapy to help your knees feel looser, reduce soreness, and improve circulation. Whether you're an athlete, gym enthusiast, or just dealing with everyday knee stiffness, it's a simple wearable device that can make a notable difference in your recovery. Learn more about it in the link in my description. Thanks for watching.